Hello guys, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to get Hamster Daily Combo. Let's get started. First, open Telegram. Open the Hamster Kombat channel. Then tap on Play. You can see 4 icons above the hamster: Daily Reward, Daily Cipher, Daily Combo, and Mini Game. Tap on Daily Combo. Here you can get the combos as you like according to the coin that you have. And that is how to get Hamster Kombat Daily Combo. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.